lies. Look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Hi guys, welcome back in my new video. In this video I gonna tell you how a single file can hack your whole system, and you should not download any untrusted file from any untrusted source. Even some educated people also do the same problem. So I will also show you the practical how a single file hacks your whole system and corrupts and leaks the data. So let's get started. So firstly I will create a file here and transfer it to the victim machine, which is gonna be hacked. So here I will create the file. So let me see if internet is connected or not. So let us connect it. So here I will firstly make a payload file, and here connection started, and let us create the payload file in the script and open it in the terminal and maximize it. So here I will firstly enable the root permission and clear the terminal, and what I will do here is just do ls command and show the files here in the system. And now I will run the script that is created by me in Python. So here I will type 1, and our listening host will be our IP. So let us open the terminal and ifconfig here and copy this IP, close the tab and paste it here, and the listening port will be 444, and we will change the icon. And yes, you have been hacked, and same here, hacked. And the output file name will be I think I should write here pdf anything. So here it will create a payload for me, which is going to be transferred to the victim machine, which I will show you how it will be hacked. So here it is creating the payload. You can see the payload is created. Its size is given, that is 13,97076 bytes. And let us start the multi-handler, and this service will start, and let us minimize it and go to our output. And now you have to transfer this file to the victim machine. So here we will transfer it to the victim machine. So here you can see our created payload file is transferred to the victim machine. It's my own machine. Here this was the file, and now we will go to our parrot terminal and go to our payload file. And when the victim will click on this file, and it will show error message that you have been hacked. So this was the error message which was written in the terminal. And one more thing I want to show it to you is here it is coming unknown publisher. This is the sign that it's not a trusted file. So you should not download this type of files. And when I will go to our terminal, and our session is started, you can see, and get here and write sessions here. So one session, that is this laptop. From this I'm doing that. This is the PDF file and our session is to be started. Now I will create a channel here, that is sessions 1, and the intersection is started and the interpreter is opened. Now I will type here shell. So our channel is created and we are ready to do. So here I will type ls and cd downloads. Okay, we are in the downloads only. So here I will see there are a lot of files, and if I start these types of videos, for example I am gonna start this folder. So here I will type start DC, and this folder is opened remotely by us. So from this technique our PC is hacked properly, and if I type ls here and so here we have hacked whole system with just a single file. And now what I will show you is, here I can see all the files on the system on that folder. So if I want to start this song, I will do is just type start here and copy this song and click copy, and now paste it here and hit enter. So here it will start a song for us. So let us go out of here. Yeah, so here, and the channel is created, so I will type help here, and all the commands we can do here is lot of commands are there, like we have on to the title or task skill. For example, in this I am doing the media manager, a folder that was DC. I am opening it. So here it will show all the files. So if you like the video, like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates.